Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. In this video I want to do a bit of micro counting here, which doesn't necessarily make the chart clearer, but it might provide a bit more context. Overall, we are still in a situation where one more low is very likely on this chart because it really only provided us with a three-wave move to the upside in what could be considered an ABC correction into the 22nd of June high here at 30.5 cents. Yeah, so we had a nice three-wave move to the upside. The reason why I'm also considering the yellow wave count, which is the bullish option with very clear parameters given, is that it hasn't followed through to the downside yet, and the move to the downside isn't really in any way impulsive. It hasn't made any new lows. So we have to be open-minded for a potential trend reversal. So what I need to see for confirmation that the white wave count is clearly in control is a break below 23.8 cents. But I already explained that in previous videos. So we really need to see a break below that level to confirm that. This is the 78.6 retracement of the move between the 10th of June and the 25th of June, or 22nd of June. It doesn't make a difference. It's basically a double top here. So a break below that level would be rather bearish and confirm downside continuation, especially if it's a sustained break, which means price goes below it, maybe consolidates below it, right? So, right. Okay, what else do we look for? So, looking at a bit of a micro count, I mean, let's assume we are in the white wave count. What would be a possible micro count? It's very complex because the way this develops, the only chance this could be really the white wave count is if the wave 5 unfolds as an ending diagonal. So we have here a wave 1 down, and then probably a wave 2 to the upside, and we're now in the third wave down, 4, 5. Now it's not clear third wave behavior. Third wave would normally be very impulsive because it's not. It could be an ending diagonal. Now, in these diagonal patterns, they are always horrible because they get very boring. That's also why the market is so boring at the moment, right? They often happen towards the end of a bear market, towards the end of a downtrend. In an ending diagonal, the subwaves are corrective. So this is a WXY. We established that in a previous video. So that could be a wave 1 as a correction. Wave 2 is clearly three-wave move. The wave 3 could be an A wave, a B wave, and now the C wave to follow. In this move down, it could break through 23.8 cents. Now, if it doesn't, it's possibly the yellow count. But the yellow count also needs to prove itself because we deal here with a diagonal structure at best. Yeah. So, I mean, I said to you, it's a three-wave move up. Maybe it's 5, maybe it's 5 waves. So we give it a chance. Yeah, I mean, it already worked out here when it hit our trend reversal area. It's just not a high probability scenario. In the more bullish scenario, it could be a wave 1 to the upside. Then that was a dog. A wave down. Yeah. The B wave could be a triangle. Yeah, the way this looks now, and the C wave down. This would be the yellow wave count, where we have an A wave down as a WXY. The B wave could again be a triangle. A, B, C, D, E. One more lower high, might be doing that right now, and then break down in a C wave of wave 2. Possible, okay, but again, the micro counting sometimes doesn't really make a chart clearer because there are options for up and down. Well, to be honest, these two scenarios I showed you point towards the downside. It's just that where does price hold support? And this is more relevant, right? So if we see a major reaction at 26.3 cents, 25.3 or 23.8, then this is likely the wave 2. Yeah? And because it's a diagonal, this wave 1, again, at best, okay, at best, it needs to prove itself and it needs eventually to rally above 30.5 cents to confirm it. That doesn't mean you have to wait for confirmation to trade. You can just trade the pullback area if you like to. I don't give you any advice on this, but this is a parameter where, in my opinion, for a long trade, reward is high and risk is low in terms of risk to stop and reward to possible target. So, but first of all, we have 23.8 cents that needs to hold and 30.5 cents needs to break. yeah, that's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.